The pregnancy tracking feature in Garmin Connect lets you keep track of your pregnancy information, from daily symptoms and baby size to blood glucose levels and tips for exercise and nutrition. You'll see all this alongside your other health stats. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the pregnancy feature so you can start tracking what's important to you. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone and select Health Stats from the main menu. If you don't already use the menstrual cycle tracking feature, select Menstrual Cycle/Pregnancy and set it up as directed. If you are using the menstrual cycle feature, select it from the Health Stats menu. Then, open your menstrual cycle settings, select Cycle Type, and then Pregnant. From here, you'll enter your due date and follow the on-screen instructions. Your setup process might look different from this video, but that's okay. Your setup is customized based on your device and settings. Here you can set a new hydration goal if yours is lower than pregnancy recommendations. You can choose to enable weight gain goals throughout your pregnancy, and if you have an Index S2 Smart Scale, you can customize your advanced body metrics settings. If you have a Garmin watch or other device that tracks training status, you'll be able to pause it while you're pregnant. Then you can enable or disable move alerts and finish setup. Now you'll see pregnancy in your Health Stats menu. If your Garmin watch gets menstrual cycle details from the Garmin Connect app, it will automatically switch to show pregnancy details. To track symptoms and more from your wrist, you'll need to download the Pregnancy Tracking app from the Connect IQ store. And that's it. Now you can start tracking important pregnancy information along with all your other health stats, plus get educational tips and more in Garmin Connect during your pregnancy.